Good morning, Mr. Mondragon's class. I'm Alexia Herrera.
And I'm Sonia Valenzuela.
And we're going to be talking about our cell organelle project that we were assigned for this class. We're going to talk about the different types of animal cells and plant cells, and we're going to compare that to our veterinary clinic that we decided to do our project on.
Okay, some of these are the organelles that we're going to talk about and how they're similar to our business. They're the nucleus, the cytoskeleton, the mitochondrion, the lysosome, and the rough ER.
And then we have the smooth ER, the Golgi apparatus, the cell wall, the vacuole, and the chloroplast. And then we will be comparing that to any functions that are similar to our veterinary clinic. So one of them is the nucleus. The nucleus is the central and the most important part of an object. It's the main cell, and it directs cellular activities and stores heredity information, just like our administration office is the main part of our clinic, because it contains all the information having to do with all of our clients. We have the responsibility of making sure everything is running smoothly and they get the proper care they deserve.
Okay, the cell membrane is the function that controls who enters and exits the cell and protects the cell from its surroundings. The similarity is the doors in our buildings are like the cell membrane because it lets the people go in and out as they please.
So the next cell we will be talking about is the cytoplasm and the cytoskeleton, and that provides structural shape and support and enables cellular movement, such as a building. It can be compared to the cytoplasm because it holds all of the parts of the clinic together, and the cytoskeleton can be compared to the walls because this helps keep the structure and support of the building.
Okay. Our next is the lysosome. The function is to digest and recycle cellular waste products and consume material. The similarity can be compared to the custodians that clean up the clinic and maintain the building spotless. That means that we want to have a clean area for our pets and our animals.
And the next one is ribosomes, and the function for that cell is it's responsible for translating codes from mRNA and making the protein. And that we would be comparing it to the vet assistants or the volunteers because they follow the instructions given to them by the main doctor or any clerk that we have in our office, and they're just like the ribosomes that follows instructions from the nucleus to function and everything. The next one is Golgi apparatus, and the function for that is processes and packages protein, lipids, and other molecules. This is similar to our medication closet where we keep the medicine and things that are packaged and taken outside of our clinic and taken from here going with the client and their animals.
Okay, the smooth ER means the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Its function is where proteins and synthesize lipids and detoxify molecules. The similarities is the smooth ER is compared to the factory where our medicine is packaged and delivered to our clinic and surrounding clinic. It's all the medicines for the animals that we take care of them.
The next one is rough ER, which modifies protein that will be shipped elsewhere in the organism. Just like the hallways, it helps us go from room to room visiting our animals and taking care of our patients and everything. It helps us travel smoothly and run our clinic right.
Okay, the mitochondria is the function is to harvest energy from cellular functions. It is the power plant. The similarities, this can be compared to the electricity that runs throughout our clinic because our clinic depends on electricity to function because without it we will not be able to run the clinic and help our clients.
Now we will be moving into the plant cells, and one of the plant cells we're going to be talking about is the chloroplast, which is where photosynthesis is performed. And we are going to compare that to the microwave in our break room because it converts electrical energy into heat energy. And the other one that we're using will be the cell wall, which provides structural strength, protection, and increases resistance to water loss. Just like the owners that bring in their animals are giving them the care they need, and us as the vets give them the right medication and care that they will protect them from any infection that they might be getting and give them the strength they need to be good.
Okay, and the last organelle that we're using is the functions are the stores nutrients, degrades waste products, provide pigments, and structural support. The similarities are any storage closets, cabinets that may hold animal treats, medicine, or equipment can be compared to the badulus.
And that's the end of our discussion for this project. And I hope you guys like our PowerPoint throughout our presentation. And thank you very much for listening.
Thank you.